Hello friends! Today I'm going to show you how to make Dubai chocolate cupcakes. After posting my Dubai chocolate macarons, I decided to make cupcakes with the same flavor. I decorated these cupcakes with dark chocolate ganache and some chopped pistachios. Let's make ganache first. We need dark chocolate, I'm using Calibo, heavy cream, pinch of salt, Kataifi, pistachio butter or paste, unsalted butter, and some chopped pistachios. Warm up heavy cream and pour over chocolate. Add pinch of salt. Using spatula, mix everything. We need to make sure chocolate melted. Emulsify ganache with the immersion blender. Mix again with the spatula. Make sure there is no chocolate left on the bottom of the mixing bowl. Then cover with a plastic wrap to contact and refrigerate for at least 1 hour or overnight. Now let's make Kataifi filling. In a frying pan, melt unsalted butter. Make sure it's all melted. Add Kataifi into melted butter and fry for a few minutes. Use spatula to mix. Make sure you're not burning this Kataifi. You need to reach this gold brown color. Transfer fried Kataifi into mixing bowl and let it cool. To make chocolate cupcakes, we need all-purpose flour, buttermilk, white granulated sugar, cocoa powder, 1 egg, vegetable oil, pinch of salt, baking soda, and espresso powder. The process is very simple. In the mixing bowl, add egg and white sugar. Using whisk, combine everything. Then add vegetable oil and buttermilk. Make sure you're using all ingredients at room temperature. Now whisk again. Make sure everything is combined. Then sift dry ingredients: flour, baking soda, salt, cocoa powder, and espresso powder. You can sift before or right into wet ingredients. Then using spatula, fold everything. You can also use whisk if you like. Make sure everything combined, there is no clumps left. It just takes a few minutes. This is the consistency we're looking. Now divide the chocolate cupcakes batter into prepared muffin pan lined with the paper cups. I'm using ice cream scoop and filling about 2/3 full. This recipe makes 12 cupcakes. and bake cupcakes in preheated oven to 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Now let's make this Dubai chocolate filling. I'm using pistachio batter. Those pistachio I'm leaving for decor. Mixing pistachio batter or pistachio paste with fried Kataifi. And mixing well. Remove plastic wrap from the ganache and using hand blender, whip ganache for a few seconds. It's very important not to over whip this ganache. Transfer ganache into pastry bag with the piping tip. I'm using Wilton 2D piping tip. I'm also gonna leave a link below this video. Make sure baked cupcakes are cool to room temperature before assembling them. In each cupcake, remove the center. You can use a knife or special tool. The special tool I'm gonna link below this video. It's so easy to use that. Each cupcake filled with Dubai chocolate filling. I'm using 2 tablespoons. This is the easiest way. Then pipe ganache on top. And also decorate with chopped pistachios. And if you have edible gold. This is the fun part. Pipe ganache. Decorate with pistachios. After that, you can refrigerate cupcakes for 2 to 3 days. You can also freeze them in a freezer for a few months if you like. But I have to tell you, they're really delicious. If you haven't tried Dubai chocolate, I highly recommend. Also try to make Dubai chocolate macarons. They're so delicious. You will be impressed with the texture and the taste of these cupcakes. This is how they look inside. This Dubai chocolate cupcakes. If you like this video, subscribe and follow me for more. Happy baking!